Hi there, my name is Ismail from Pearl Lemon, and today I'll be showing you how to fix your anchor text for SEO. Now, the first thing before we dive into the fixes, we need to discuss the importance of anchor text. And basically, I'm here to tell you that your anchor text is your secret weapon for SEO success for two major reasons, and I'm sure and there's more, but just these two should be okay. It tells Google what the linked page is about. So your anchor text acts as a signal to search engines, helping them understand the content and context of the destination page. And you want your search engines to be able to quickly identify and understand the pages that you are sending them to because it saves the crawl budget. And even in life, the less stress you give to someone, the more likely it is that that person is going to serve you. So think of it that way, that you are making the work of Google search engines easier. So the next thing is that it improves internal linking relevance. Strategic anchor texting, it strengthens your site's internal linking structure, making it easier for both users and search engines to navigate. So, a structured site is more likely to be successful at SEO than a site that isn't structured. And one of the best ways to properly structure your site is internal linking. And one of the best ways to properly structure your internal linking is anchor texting. So, your homepage is has an anchor text to a page that is smaller than it in the hierarchy, and your homepage is directly saying that you should go to this page and this page is about this. That is better for people that are reading. It's more visually appealing. It gives you the ability to decide whether you are interested in that topic or not. And for the search engines, it just simply makes its work easier. Now, there are common mistakes in anchor text, and when you look at some of these mistakes, it becomes clear to you which site was built just for branding and which one was built with SEO in mind. So the first mistake is generic phrases. Generic phrases like click here, learn more. These provide zero context about the destination page. They are missed opportunities to tell search engines what the linked content is actually about. So let me show you an example right here. So you see this website right here has read more, read more, read more, read more, read more, read more, read more. Although it has what the page is about right here, but it would have been better if this asset and equipment finance was clickable compared to the read more. Now, the next thing is same keyword everywhere. Using identical anchor text repeatedly looks unnatural and can trigger over optimization penalties. Variety and very natural language are essential. So what we are trying to say here is that so basically you don't want to be in a situation where you're using the same keyword over and over and over and over again on the anchor text. That's just going to trigger penalties. So you have to either use variations of the keyword or you have to take each page uniquely for what it's about and use an anchor text. You can use various keywords under the same topic without using the exact same keyword. You can use variations and you can use related topics instead of just using the exact same keyword. Now, what do good anchors do? Firstly, they describe the destination page. So if it's an about us page, um, you know, an effective anchor text clearly indicates what users will find when they click, and it sets accurate in expectations and provides context. Now, another thing that good anchors do is to match intent and not just keywords. So someone that is coming to that page to sign up for a service needs to expect that he's coming to that kind of page. And someone that is going to that page for information needs to know that he is going in there for information. So You need to focus on your user's goal, and the page's purpose should be simply focused on the goal for the reader, and it should not be an opportunity to just stuff keywords around. Your SEO, you need to be deliberate with SEO, but at the same time, it has to look natural. Now, you need to follow these steps to transform your anchor text strategy. Firstly, you need to identify your weak anchors, the ones that are generic, the ones that are vague, and the ones that are over optimized. All three need to go. Now, you need to check the intent of the destination page. Are you taking us to an about page? Are you showing us a service that you want us to sign for? This needs to be identified. And then lastly, you need to rewrite your anchors clearly and naturally. You need to craft descriptive, natural sounding anchor text that accurately represents the destination while maintaining readability. SEO is a balance. You cannot leave one thing for the other. A rule to remember: clarity beats keyword stuffing. So you should always prioritize clear, descriptive anchor text over cramming in keywords. Search engines reward natural language that genuinely helps users. So you cannot make it so obvious that you are in it for the rankings. You have to be in there. You have to make it look like you are there to actually help people and you are trying to make their lives easier. So now, as a practical exercise, let us look at how we can change um, an anchor text. So in our trusty Bream assessment website, if we scroll down here after we introduce the company right here, you say there's read more. And now, the intent of this page is for people to know more about the Bream Assessment Company. So instead of read more, that is generic, we could simply open our Elementor right here, click here, and instead of read more, we can put in something like um, learn about Bream assessment. And then you publish. And that's it. All of a sudden, we have a new anchor text that is contextual. It describes what the page is about, and you know, it's not vague and it's not stuffy. It's not all over the place, and we are not using it for different purposes. So the intent is clear and it fits into the page, and we sound natural. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and ask as many questions as you need to. We are here to make sure that you learn and improve. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.